Alright guys, how's it going? Mono Dragon here again. Yes, back with another video. The past kind of week and a bit, it's just been a fucking nightmare for videos. My GoPro just kept freezing, but it would record all the sound, but the picture just wouldn't come through, and I really don't know why. So I manually updated the camera again, even though it was updated, so hopefully that fixes it. I'm not too sure, but I decided to take the bike into work even though it's freezing and the roads are manky. I kind of just really wanted to take the bike. But I hope you guys are doing well. Shameless plug right off the bat, if you haven't already, go check out my Etsy store, and if you want to help support the channel by picking up some Mono Dragon decals, please do. I would greatly appreciate it. Today guys, I actually want to talk about something that I have for use. I've been toying with an idea, and I think it could be good. I got hiccups now. I think it could be good if I got enough people on board. So basically what I want to do is, any of my older subscribers know I used to do a series called Rider Observation. I can't really do rider observations anymore because I don't ride the bike enough to get content. I used to do about one a week, and by far my most viewed series, because in Dublin a lot of shit happens all the time, but especially every time that I've been in Dublin on the bike, nothing bad happens anymore. No close calls, no nothing, which is a good thing. Not for rider observations. What I want to do is do a rider observations with sub-only clips. Come on, taxi. But I think that could be fun, and I think it could be good for any of the smaller channels. Like, I'm not a huge channel by any stretch of the imagination, but anything to give back to you guys, I'll happily do. So in the description will be a link to a Google Drive which has an upload form. I want them to be a minimum of 1080p 60 fps, and an absolute minimum anything 720 I'm just not going to do, because it's going to look really odd in the rest of the video. It's not going to look great. So 1080p 60 minimum. If you can do higher, like 2.7K, that'd be even better. I'm not saying you have to, but I will be rendering out in a 1440p, so the higher the quality the better, really. So yeah, just give me a link to your channel, and I don't know if I have a feel for your channel name, but give me your channel name too. You can upload as many clips you want. Just do one submission for each video. I don't think I have the option to submit multiple clips in the one submission. It just makes it easier for categorizing and all that shite. And obviously with the channel there's not much I can do to kind of give back to you guys, so any little way I can do that can help any upcoming YouTubers, any of you guys that want to start YouTube, but your channels aren't that big. You know, hopefully this can help a little bit. That's the ultimate goal, just to help you guys out, just to say thanks. In the description you'll find the link. Go ahead, upload your clips and everything, and send them on. Again, I don't have any time frame when I'm going to upload any. It really just depends on how many clips I get. Hope this isn't a flop, and hopefully I get even just one episode would be good. Upload the clips anyway, and I want to start doing this ASAP. Again, just a little thank you for everyone. But look guys, that's the video. Hope all of you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'm getting stuck at every fucking light, but I'll talk to you on the next video.